wish I had 10,000 tongues just to thank you. If I were Chinese, I'd say Odia. If I were Danish, I'd say Mangatat. If I were Italian, I'd say Grazia. If I were Hebrew, I'd say Toda Rabba. If I were Greek, I would say Eucharisto. If I were Japanese, I'd say Domo Arigato. If I were Portuguese, I'd say Obrigado. If I were Spanish, I'd say Muchas Gracias. If I were German, I'd say Danke schön. If I were French, I'd say Merci beaucoup. If I were Russian, I'd say Spasiba. If I were Kenyan, I'd say Ashanta. If I were Nigerian, I'd say Eje Pupo. If I were Zulu, I'd say Ingia Bonga. If I were Sutu, I'd say Kealiboha. If I were deaf, I'd say, but since I am who I am, and I got what I got, and I feel what I feel, I'll just say thank you, praise your name.